Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to post an event on LinkedIn in 2025. With LinkedIn's evolving features, it's easier than ever to promote your professional gatherings, webinars, or networking sessions to the right audience. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone organizing a meetup, this guide will have you posting like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, head over to the homepage and look for the Events tab. It's usually right up top in the navigation menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to Create Event. That's your starting point. Now, let's fill in the details. Start with a catchy event title that grabs attention, followed by a compelling description. Include key info like the date, time, and location. Remember, LinkedIn supports both in-person and virtual events, so select the right type. For 2025, LinkedIn has rolled out enhanced features like AI-suggested tags and integration with calendars, so take advantage of those to boost visibility. Don't forget to upload a high-quality cover photo or video to make your event stand out. You can also add co-organizers, set ticket options if it's a paid event, and choose your audience, public, connections only, or even targeted groups. Once everything looks good, hit Post, and you're live. To make your event a success, here are a few quick tips. Promote it in your posts, share it with relevant LinkedIn groups, and engage with comments to build buzz. After the event, follow up with attendees to keep the conversation going. It helps with networking and future opportunities. There you have it. Posting an event on LinkedIn in 2025 is straightforward and effective. If you try this out, let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.